What's poppin', dogs? Mr. Allen here. We're about to simplify these rational expressions and we're going to list any domain restrictions. All right, so first thing I got to do in this one is I got to factor this denominator right here. Then I'm going to be able to clearly see what my domain restrictions are. I already know x cannot equal 0, but it's something else right here. So if I take out a GCF of 5, I'm left with x minus 3. So 3 is my other domain restriction. All right, now I'm going to rewrite this thing, and then we're going to go ahead and do some cancellations if possible. So I got 3x over 5 times x minus 3 times x minus 3 over 12x squared, right? We got to make sure that we include the x cannot equal 0 and x cannot equal 3 in my final answer, all right? So help me remember. Help me remember. Thank you. All right. So this x minus 3, it might help you visualize it if I throw that in parentheses. You don't have to, right? But this is all multiplied together, so I can go ahead and cancel numerator and denominator. There we go. Beautiful. I've got an x right here that can be canceled with one of these guys here, so I'll just cancel that, like that exponent of 2. Leave me with just an x. Anything else? Woo! 12 is divisible by 3, leaving me with 4, and cancel that guy out. All right, so I got rid of a lot of stuff. Is there anything left in my numerator? No. So I got to throw a 1. Do not forget that, dogs. I did this on purpose, okay? I did this on purpose. You can't forget that 1. You can't just write your denominator and call it a day. It's got to be 1 over that. Now I got 5 times 4. That's going to be 20. And we have that x right there. There we go. We have 1 over 20x. That extra long fraction looks ridiculous. I'll go ahead and erase a bit of it. There we go. That's lovely. Now I got to have those domain restrictions. Thanks so much for reminding me, right? I heard you. You're like, yo, Mr. Allen. Domain restrictions. You're the best. All right. X cannot equal. We said it cannot equal 3 and it cannot equal 0 because that would make either one of those denominators 0. That would be no bueno. There is our final answer for that bad boy right there. But we got one mo. In red right over here. All right. Same dealio with this one mo. I got to factor first. All right. So numerator is going to stay the same here. Denominator here is going to be, let's see, I can take out a 3 and I'm left with 4x plus 1. Ooh, that's a little hard to read, sorry. And then we got times, and then this numerator here, that's a difference of 2 squares, bro. We got 4x minus 1 and 4x plus 1. 4x, oh my gosh, I'm struggling, plus 1. Beautiful. Not beautiful. No, that looks terrible, but all right. Then down here, I got a GCF. I can take out a 2x, and I'm left with 4x minus 1. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. We got a whole lot going on this one. A lot of like things. This is very exciting when you get to cancel a whole lot, right? So let's see here. Don't forget domain restrictions later on, okay? We got 4x plus 1. That bad boy is gone. 4x minus 1. Oh, boy. That one's gone. 2 x's. Oh, my goodness. It's gone. What am I left with? I got a 3. So is my answer 3? No. It's 1 over 3 because that 3 is in the denominator, dogs. It's in the denominator. It's got to stay in the denominator. If it were in the numerator, it'd be 3, but it's not, okay? There we go. I like it. Now, what can x not equal? X cannot equal a few things here. This one right here, which was 4x plus 1, x cannot equal negative 1/4. Negative 1 over 4. What else? Well, for this one here, x cannot equal 0, so we're going to have that in it. And then lastly, for this one, it's going to be positive 1/4. Beautiful. Hopefully you can still see that. I think I'm still on the board. All right. Those 3 are part of my domain restriction. My final simplified expression is 1 over 3, right? Don't forget that 1 over 3. That's exciting. That's awesome and dope, just like you guys. All right. Be sure to like and subscribe. And for more fun, dope math videos, or however people do it on the YouTubes. See ya.